Have you ever noticed how some people seem to move through life like opportunities are just waiting for them at every turn? It's like doors just open, connections appear, and the things they desire somehow flow to them. That's not luck. That's not chance. That's called living with an abundance mindset. And when you learn how to tap into that energy, that side hustle you want to grow, that business you want to scale, and that life you desire starts showing up for you in ways you couldn't have imagined. When we talk about abundance, most people immediately think of money. But abundance goes way deeper than that. It's about believing at your core that life is full of opportunities, full of love, full of joy, full of possibilities. It's not about what you don't have. It's about recognizing that what you do desire already exists in some form. And your mindset is the key that draws it closer. So think about it like this. Your thoughts and feelings are signals. When you walk around feeling stressed, worried, or closed off, you're sending out signals that keep opportunities at arm's length. But when you shift into abundance, when you start expecting good things, celebrating the little wins, and feeling grateful for what you already have, you're tuning into the frequency of life you want. That's when things begin to align. Here's what's so powerful about this. Abundance changes your daily experience. You'll suddenly start noticing opportunities you would have overlooked. Conversations that used to feel intimidating turn into exciting possibilities. You start waking up with a sense of energy instead of dread. And you find yourself making choices from confidence, not fear. And once you begin to embody that state, it's not just about what shows up in your external world. The real magic is how you feel on the inside. Imagine living every day with peace, freedom, and a quiet certainty that life is working for you. That's what abundance gives you. So how do you start living this way? Here are a few things that will help you step into it. First, you want to train your mind to see enough. Every day, take notice of what's already flowing in your life. Maybe it's money, maybe it's support, maybe it's opportunities. But recognize it as proof that more is on the way. 2, live from the feeling of already having it. Don't wait until the dream job, the business success, or the financial breakthrough arrives to feel abundant. Feel it now. Walk with it now. Speak like it's already part of your life because that feeling pulls it into reality. 3rd, protect your environment. Abundance grows faster when you're surrounded by people and energy that feed it. Connect with people who talk possibilities, not limitations. Create a space that reminds you of where you're headed, not where you've been. 4th, act as if. When you take action from the mindset of abundance, your world starts to rearrange itself to match your belief. That one email, that one step, that one decision you've been holding back on, move on it. That's how you signal you're ready for more. And here's the beautiful part. Once you start living in abundance, it becomes easier to maintain because the more you practice it, the more natural it feels. And the more natural it feels, the more it becomes your new reality. And here's where this really matters. If you've been sitting on a dream, maybe starting a side hustle, maybe launching the business you can't stop thinking about, an abundance mindset is the foundation that makes it possible. Because when you believe opportunities are limitless, you stop waiting for the perfect time and start creating momentum right now. You begin to see your gifts not as something small, but as something valuable the world needs. That shift is what gives you the courage to put yourself out there, to take that first step, and to keep building even when it feels uncertain. Abundance doesn't just change your mindset, It fuels the belief that you can turn your idea into income, your passion into purpose, and your side hustle into the life you've always wanted. So I want you to sit with this. What would your life look like if you started living in abundance today? If you carried yourself with the belief that everything you desire is already making its way to you, that shift changes everything. So remember this: abundance isn't something you chase, it's something you embody. And when you embody it, you naturally attract the life you desire. Thanks again for vibing with me. Until next time.